What's up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. All the way from Samoa. Anyways fam, so today Tuxx is off to
the gym
and we are checking out of our hotel here at Millennia. Sorry guys, I got a little inflammation in the throat. Is that what it's called?
A few moments later.
Anyways, we're off to another hotel. We will be checking out of Millennia this morning. After Taru checks me into our new hotel, he'll be going to the gym. So stay tuned because we will be heading off to a secret location. Let's go!
Please on the track,
just to let you guys get a bit of a visual on the outside. So this is JP2 Fitness, just outside of Apia City. If you know where you're going, it's on the same road as McDonald's.
Hello guys, I'm Bob. This is JP Fitness here in Samoa. You can welcome you every time you want to come in, have a workout. We open from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Saturday.
I've just finished my workout, so I'm drenched. They've pretty much got everything that you need to work out. You know, keep in mind guys, this is Samoa and it's only 10 allowed to come in. You got everything, you got all the CrossFit stuff here, plenty of weights if you're a strong person. So yeah man, just gonna walk out to the car so we can go back to our hotel and get changed. Thanks.
Okay fam, so Tuxx and I went to the gym. Well, he went to the gym while I worked on the vlog in the car. And then we had to stop off at the Cool Shack again. You know it. We had to get ice cream. I got cookies and cream. And Tuxx got Coco Samoa. Wow, get it honey, get it. But we are headed to our special location, so don't forget, give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you are a viewer on our channel right now, you're watching this video and you ain't subscribed,
You gotta subscribe.
make sure you press that subscribe button down below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you are loving our daily vlogs. Let's go! Let's go!
Lilo Maya vai sauni folau. Lulu au fulu apa au mafa au lio laula au. Fa asisi na salilo Maya vale vaya safalele taua. O palauli o tama oleu amea.
family, so you've probably guessed it by now. We are here at Piula Cave Pool. We're just about to head over and pay our entry. Can you take our card down?
Yep, so it's an extra 10.
Okay, cool.
There's 20 times.
Alright, 20 Tala family. This is family, this is Golia. Are you a student? Golia.
I'm a student.
So
Oh,
family.
he's a student.
Julia, I'm a student here and welcome to Piula Theological College.
Okay fam, I'm a bit of a mess right now. The hair is... and I'm sweating like Tuxx said, it's 5 tala for one person and 10 tala to take your car down. Right now, I've never seen Piula so packed, but it's so packed right now. Everyone's here. Anyways, we're gonna jump into the water. We hope that you like this video. Make sure if you've been to Piula that you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below that you've been to Piula and what did you love the best. Let's go!
I try and I know there's something's wrong. Every time the DJ decides to play, oh, it's go up in the air. Everybody chanting, doing the boogie, oh, what an atmosphere. But all I hear, hey, hey, yo. Baka 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 baka. I hear it singing. Baka 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 baka. Chanting, singing, waka waka. Even when I move a little closer, waka waka. Put my head up closer to the speaker, waka waka. Turn up the radio louder, waka waka. Everybody come and join the party. Shake your body, body, shake your body, body. Move your body, body, move your body, body. Mawalaw ka, mauwi no sick. Muli lang mga ba, ilafia ay go, iso si Mea ay Kakawoy siyang ngwenti Pekakawoy ay KFC Kali may pingaki Pekakawoy pera ilametis Lapa 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 lapa.
So we're pretty much done here in Piula, but I just wanted to show you guys this walkway. Jeez, I thought I could get the camera and bring you up here, family, so you guys can enjoy it as well. I mean, it's just beautiful, bro. Crystal clear water. Look at that. Don't look at those toes. Not the toes. So anyways, family, I think that this side is like a sort of a reserve kind of thing, so they can breed some fish in here, keep it beautiful and nice for everyone to enjoy and observe. And this side, you can catch all the fish you want. So yeah, family, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you. Jeez. Hey. Sorry family, I just had to bring you back. I've got a quick question for you. For any of you that know what this fruit is or whatever it is, please comment down below and let us know if you do know. Some kind of red fruit. Never seen this kind of tree before. So I just quickly want to ask the question. Let's go.
Okay, T&SFAM, so we're here at the Sheraton and we were like, hey, we're feeling risky, let's go in there and let's have dinner. But if you are on a tight budget, this place is not for you. But Tuxx and I, we're feeling like we want to splurge. So yeah, we're here at Sheraton. I'm so excited. This place is absolutely beautiful. They've got a bar in their pool, show them, Minnie. Their rooms are up there, looks amazing, and the walk-in, like you guys saw, amazing. The architecture in here is just, but yeah fam, so we're gonna have dinner here. I hope you guys enjoyed the little clips that we got at Piula. Unfortunately the water was a bit like bit yuck, like it was like really murky because there was so many people. Yeah, everyone was there and the water was really murky, so I feel like the if the clips aren't as you guys thought it would be, trust me, go to Piula and on days that aren't too packed like it was today, and it would be crystal clear water, like the vibe would be beautiful. As for me and Taru, we didn't go through the hole. There's a hole at the back of the cave to go into the next cave. I didn't let Tuxx go into the hole because I was scared for Tuxx. And then we went into the cave where you swim through to go to the other cave. We saw a dirty nappy. So yeah, family, that was the gif. Oh, thank you.
Starters are here. Thank you very much.
Oh, fam. Look at that. Ooh, taro chips.
Oh, actually, that's not a starter. Is that straight? Like,
it's taro chips.
Damn. Oh, fam. Did you hear that?
They're fresh.
Oh, Lord, you are good. Can I have some?
Alright fam, so sorry we got distracted by the chips, but please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a viewer and you want to subscribe to the T&S family, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and join the T&S family. Alright, we're waiting for dinner. Okay fam, I'm gonna dig in. Go for the smallest one. Wow. Get some of this sweet chili sauce. Honey, that is a 10.
How does a 10 eat a 10? Oh, fam.
Thank you.
Fam, I think that life done something to us today.
Thank you, honey.
That's really nice. Really clean, eh?
What do you rate it?
8.
What? I'm a bit offended that he rated it an 8. I rate that a 10.
Alright family, so our food has arrived and all I can say is yummy. Fish burger, spaghetti carbonara.
Guys, look at this carbonara. I've been craving carbonara from Lazy Mo's back at home, and it smells amazing. Their service was so fast, no lies. It got here like so fast, I couldn't even count. But fam, we're gonna enjoy this. I will take one bite just for you. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bite for you.
Family, remember to blow your food before you eat it. My poor wife straight burnt her beautiful lips for you guys, alright?
A few moments later.
Alright fam, we're gonna eat up. Did you check out the ribs?
They did. Oh.
Okay fam, we're gonna eat and see you later.